How to make animated Stickman videos for free using AI. Are you asking yourself the same thing? Don't worry, I can help you. We will make sure it is 100% free and the characters stay the same in every scene. First, look at this channel. It has about 90,000 subscribers with only 45 videos. They uploaded their first video just 3 months ago. This means they gained 90,000 subscribers in a very short time and are now making a lot of money. So how can we make videos like this? If you watch their videos, you will see they only use static images. They don't even animate the Stickman characters, but they still get many views. In this video, I will teach you how to animate your images and create similar videos that can easily get a lot of views.
In this video, I'm going to share a secret sauce that makes creating content fast and easy. I will give you a master prompt that handles everything from start to finish, including images, sound, and video production. I'm also going to show you a great tool to automate your videos so you can manage your work easily in one place. I've put the master prompt and all the links from this tutorial in the description for you. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorials.
First, I'll copy the prompt from this section and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, I go back to the Google Doc to copy the second piece of text. I'm going to paste that right into the Insert Topic part. Finally, I click the Generate button and wait for the result to be ready. Next, I go to the Gemini website to create the images. I split my screen, click on the Create Image option, and paste the prompts for each scene one by one. Finally, I downloaded all the photos. Now let's create the video. First, go to Google and search for the Grok automation extension. Go to the web store and install it. I like to pin it so it is easy to find. Next, click on the icon. For this to work, you must have the Grok website open and be logged in, so click the Navigate to Grok button to enter the site. Once you are there, you will see that the extension is active. Now choose the Frame to Video option and upload your photos. Be very careful to add all the photos in the correct order. Finally, go to ChatGPT and copy the video prompts from part 2. Go back to Grok and paste them into the prompts section.
As you can see, it found exactly 10 scenes using the same 10 photos I gave it. In this extension, every 2 new lines creates a new prompt. So be careful. If the scenes don't look right, you probably put a new line in the wrong place. Now, I'll scroll to the bottom and click the Run button. From here, the automation does all the work and turns each image into a video one by one. Just one very important point. Do not close the Grok tab at all while it is working.
Once the work is finished, the extension will automatically download all the videos into a folder for you.
Next, let's create the voiceover. For this part, I use Google AI Studio. It is a powerful and free tool for creating voices, and I have put the link in the description. Once I am on this page, I select the Single Speaker option. In the Models section, I choose Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. I have picked a random voice, and now it is time for the script. I go back to ChatGPT and find part 3, which is the voiceover script. Here, there is a different text for every scene. I already copied all those texts and put them together. Now I copy everything, go to Google AI Studio, and paste it into the text section. In the style instructions, I also ask for a warm and motivational tone. Finally, I click Run to generate the voice. When the audio is ready, I download it. Then I put the videos I recorded earlier into my editing software. I match the audio and video together carefully to get a clean result. Now, let's see what I made.
Ever feel too overwhelmed to even start? The work feels heavy before you even open your laptop. So instead, you scroll, telling yourself you'll start later. The problem isn't laziness. It's that the task feels too big. Here's a simple trick, the 5-minute rule. Set a timer for just 5 minutes and promise yourself you'll stop after that. Once you start, the pressure disappears. You're just doing a little, not everything. And something surprising happens. Progress feels good. Momentum builds. 5 minutes often turns into much more. Now the task isn't scary anymore. It feels doable. Remember, motivation doesn't come before action. Just start for 5 minutes.